Do I start by going fast?
Well, you got to take off, right? So, yeah. This is Courtney's attempt on my simulator to go fast.
So I'm going to go first. Nope. Oh, okay, yep.
All the way.
All the way.
Full 100% acceleration. Push it all the way forward. There you go. You're good. You see the green?
Kinda. Yeah. Oh, okay.
So the second that white bar there goes to green, oh, you can lift up now, actually.
Ooh, oh, here we go. Maverick dog. Oh. How do I look down?
You just push down.
Okay, cool. Hey, here we go. No, go back. Oh, there we go.
Now, this is going to be the fun part. In a minute, we're going to have you turn around and try to land. Where are your legs?
Okay. Oh.
Courtney, you should look up a little bit.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Here we go. All right.
Okay, so now you're going to try to turn around.
No.
This is Courtney's attempt at landing.
Okay, here we go.
You got this.
Let's go up. Go up. No.
Oh,
okay,
man.
All right. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna go up like you said. Where are you? Oh, I see it.
Oh, man.
Oh, God. We're coming in hot, but it's okay.
Well, slow down.
Oh, no. I just fucked it up. Oh, no. Where am I? I'm trying to see.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Okay, we're gonna go up. Oh, wow, that's a nice save.
Okay, so I set it up for Courtney, so where she's like directly lined up with the landing strip. You gotta get lower.
Okay.
You gotta get lower.
There we go. Don't forget. Okay. I'll forget out.
You gotta keep it in sight.
Okay.
You should be landing like right at the yellow lights. And then cut off engines. All the way back. Okay. You got this. Get on the ground.
There you are.
Get sideways. You can do it.
Alright. Oh gosh.
You can do it. You can land. What is this? And you're inverted.
Yes!
Oh, wow. Perfect.
Oh wow. Look at that. Oh,
You got this, Courtney. Perfect.
Wow.
Oh, by the way, the brakes are this trigger.
Here we are, DIA. Oh no!
No,
I said
slow down. Okay, you gotta look the right way. Why are you trying to take off? Just land. Just stay on the ground.
Here, right at your house.
Hit the brakes. Hold them. You got this. You're gonna stop at some point. Right into a building. You got this. Let's see what you look like right now. Okay. And Courtney landed.
Got it.